How to update TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to check for the latest version and make sure your app stays updated automatically. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. From there, tap the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. After that, tap the search bar at the top and type in TikTok. At this point, tap on TikTok from the search results to open its store page. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. Updates usually bring bug fixes, new features, and performance improvements. Following this, if you only see an Open button, that means TikTok is already on the latest version and no update is available right now. From here, tap the three dots at the top right of the app page. After that, make sure the Enable Auto Update box is checked. This way, TikTok will update automatically in the background whenever a new version is released, so you never have to do this manually. That's how you update TikTok and turn on auto updates on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell to stay notified. Catch you in the next one.